Hey guys, how are you all? Today we are going to see the dress-up features in Catia and we are going to see types of fillets and champers. So before getting started, please subscribe to my channel. Let's learn. So what is a fillet or what is chamfer? Fillet is a curved surface on a constant or variable radius that is the tangent to and that joins two surfaces. So these are the icons which we are going to see in this video, the types of fillets and the chamfer feature in Catia. So there are various types of fillets. So first one is the edge fillet, and second one is the variable fillet, third one is the variable fillet using a spine, fourth is create a face to face fillet, and fifth one is tri-tangent fillet. So let's see these features one by one practically in the Catia V5 software. So let's get started. So this is the interface you are going to see after you open the Catia V5 software. So you have to select one of the plane and you have to click on the sketch option, and the 3D will convert into 2D and the sketcher plane will get open. Now let's draw a rectangle to give a chamfer to this thing. So this is a square, and after clicking the exit workbench you have to pad this thing and you can give the dimension according to your need. I'm giving it 100, and then click on preview and click on OK, and this will convert into a cube as you can see. Then you can give the chamfer. This is the dress-up feature toolbar as you can see. So click on the chamfer option, then select one of the edge you want to give a chamfer to, and then you can give the length up to which you are going to give a chamfer to this cube or rectangle. So I'm giving 10 length and click on OK. Then you can see that the chamfer is appeared on the product. The edge will be converted into a chamfer. I'm selecting another edge and I'm giving two edges the chamfer, and I'm changing the length 1 and length 2. You can give both lengths and different lengths and different chamfer, and you can also reverse the direction. As you can see, I'm clicking on the reverse direction, but as it is rectangular surface, so there's no change. So you can see that the chamfer is appeared on this surface. You can pan it and move it according to your need, and you can see that the chamfer is appeared. Now we have to give a fillet to this surface. So you have to select the edge fillet option, then select one of the edges, and you have to give the radius. I'm just changing the radius, and just click on the preview option and then click on OK, and you can see that the fillet is appeared on this product or surface. So now we are going to see another option, variable fillet radius, and then select one of the edges, and you can change the radius according to need at both ends. So I'm just changing it to 3 at one end, and let's say 8 at another end, and just click on OK. You can see the variable radius has been appeared on that corner, and one end is thin and another is thick. Now let's see the third option, which is chordal fillet. You have to just select number of chords, and then you have to mention the length, and you have to give the values. I'm just giving it 5 at one end, and let's give 6 at another end, and I'm giving to give 3 at one end. And as you can see, there are variable radiuses at another 3 corners, and you have to select linear or cubic according to your need, and just click on OK. I'm just changing it to cubic, and you can see that the radius is appeared. The radius at the corner is different. So this is nothing but chordal fillet radius. Yeah, you can give radius to the chords according to your need or segments. And last is the tangent fillet option. You have to select one face at which two faces where you are going to give the fillet to, and one face from which you are going to remove the face, and then just click on OK, and you can see that one face is completely removed, or you can see that fillet is appeared on both the faces from which we have selected, and one face is completely removed, and you can see that the fillet has been appeared, and this looks good for the aesthetic and ergonomics purpose. So thanks for watching this video. If you have any queries, please mail.
Then check out my playlist, Catia V5 tutorials. Also, you can like, share, comment on this video. If you have any queries, if you have any doubts, then comment in the comment section, and subscribe to my channel Let's Learn, and press the bell icon in the YouTube app and never miss an update. And you can also contact me if you want any guidance for your project, and you can follow me on Twitter. My Twitter handle is ismail_007. Also for the Instagram it's same, and you can send me a mail. And thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel Let's Learn.